What's going on, everyone? It's your guy, Foxway, CEO of Black Fox, government contracting hero, here to give you another quick tip on how you can build your business pipeline. If you know me by now, all my videos are raw, straight to the point, less than 10 minutes, so that way you can get the critical information on how you can build your government contracting business. So let's go ahead and get started as I look to my screen so that way we can take you through this process of how to build a business pipeline. Let's go. All right, so this is actual live active information. This is not training material. This is in the back office of our Black Fox. Yes, we use a work management tool called Monday.com. If you're interested in Monday.com, click the link in the description box so that way you can sign up for this tool. We've been using it for the past 4 years. It has made our life extremely efficient and has helped me scale this company between 7 and 8 figures. So what we do is that when we in the market and we identify an opportunity, right? And we do an assessment to say this is something that we definitely want to go after. What we do is that we now take that information and data and we upload it. We do some data management. We upload it to our business pipeline so the entirety of the team can see what is the new opportunity that we plan on chasing. Now, the opportunities are broken down into multiple different categories. So you have active solicitations, meaning that they are live on the market and they have a due date on when you need to submit your response. There are pre-solicited opportunities, meaning that they're not active, but they will be coming out very soon. So we start doing the planning process to figure out how to put together a team. We can do a pre-analysis on the estimate on the price proposal, maybe do a little bit of work and get a technical proposal completed if it's a large scale opportunity. And then there's our opportunities that are just completely forecasted, meaning that they may have an expiration date between now and the next 6 months. So we're looking at those opportunities going to be hitting the market anytime soon. So we want to do the preparation phase as well, right? And we have a additional category in which we look at some international type of things that we're kind of working on to develop. We may have seen like an opportunity to where there was a gap in someone's processes and we're like, hey, we see there's a gap. There was an audit conducted and here's some things. So we call those like the unsolicited opportunities pool in our pipeline. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. And so we have here, right, broken down into a few different categories. So we have program management, okay, we have staff augmentation, we have IT, we have corporations, internationals, things waiting to be released, like I said. And then we also have over here special projects business pipeline. So we have like our main verticals in the company, and then we have like small special projects to where I'm able to bring on independent contractors that can help facilitate those different contracts, whatever, as an additional support. All right. So, for example, we're going after the NASA Soup opportunity. So you can see here, right, the bid opportunity name and how we categorize it. Things in here, right, called NASA Soup. So we have the bid opportunity, and then we have the status of it, right? Who's the teaming person that's leading the opportunity? We break it down by agency, by the primary NAICS code. Is it a RFP, RFQ, RFI? The industry, right? It's in program management. Our role in the opportunity, are we going to be a prime or a subcontractor? Is it a small business program set aside? Is it WSB? Is it 8A, SDVSB? Is it MBE, right? How many calculated or estimated full-time employees or contractors or part-time employees are going to be on this? So that way we can kind of have a target. Okay, what is the start date of the contract? What is the location? Who is the key point of contact? Is there an incumbent, right? When was it published? Okay, when is it a pre-bid? So we put all the critical information here, right? When is the due date? Because that's critical. Who are the teaming partners on this opportunity? Okay, and when were things put in place, right? NDA, a draft proposal, the final review, right? And then response submitted. And then once it's awarded, we'll put the award date in there. We'll put the contract number and then the contract value for what it's worth. And then we have a charity to where we want to put a certain different percentage of that contract to go to causes around the world, right? So right now we're in the middle of like a crazy proposal season. And so you can see a lot of information still has to get filled in as we work towards putting together teams for this particular opportunity. And it goes for the rest of them too. So you can see here's our IT information, right? Same thing, right? Fill in the blank. Where is it located at? Who is the point of contact that we need to ask question to, right? The whole shebang. And then once it's submitted, once we've gone through the whole full process and then it's been submitted, okay, then we have to do a process of making sure that we are, making sure things are key. We're looking at, who's the point of contact. We're looking at the contract value, right? All that information there is filled into our back office. And then we have different team members that are on the team that can see that particular information, right? So if I go to opportunities, you can see we have our whole entire team here to be able to see it. So if anything is changed or updated or added, then everybody gets a notification via email or some type of push notification. So that way they know that something new has been added onto it. And then we make sure that there's a status associated with it. There's certain different components that we can do for the business pipeline lifecycle process, from finding it to reviewing it to responding to submitting to following up to being awarded, right? And so as we fill this pipeline, it lets everybody in the team know that we're going after the next opportunity. So that way we can create what? More jobs and more economic stimulus for the communities around, okay? So I appreciate y'all once again for tuning in. Like I said before, I'm Foxway, government contractor hero, CEO of Black Fox, CEO of GovCon Blueprint, here to give you some free game on how you can build your government contractor business. If you love videos like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe below subscribe button below. Make sure you share this with your friends, your families, and other people. And also go to the description box and look at some of our additional programs that we have. I do have a mentoring program, partnership program. So people like you who want to get in the space but have that little bit of fear, you come in, you get the mentorship, you be a part of all our internal meetings, right? You see all the different processes, you learn how to price it, how to put things together, then you submit, and now you've got that experience to go after opportunities on your own, right? So that's how we do it over here in GovCon Blueprint and the Black Fox Partnership. Once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace.